Hey everyone, Vincent Lim here with Vancouver B.C. Real Estate Group, and today I'm super excited to show you this one bed, one bath listing here in one of my favorite locations in Vancouver, and that's the Olympic Village. What makes this area so special is because you're steps away from everything. You're close to groceries, cafes, restaurants, everything that you need day to day, you have it all here in Olympic Village. And the best part is, walking distance to the Olympic Village station only takes 10 minutes, and it's only a 15-minute walk to the Science World station. It's just a bridge from downtown. But enough of me talking, let's go check out this unit. Hope you guys enjoyed my video tour. My name is Vincent Lim. I'm with Vancouver B.C. Real Estate Group, and I'll be waiting for your call.